In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 192 by 8 using the long division method. As 1 is less than 8, so we will consider the number 19. We know that 8 times 2 is equal to 16. Subtract, we get 3. Now 3 is less than 8, so we will bring down this number 2 here. And we know that 8 times 4 is equal to 32. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 192 divided by 8 is equal to 24. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.